Hi, I'm Peter Ziobrowski, and I want to show you my brand new $16 YouTube studio. Why $16? Well, July was my first month monetized, and I made a whole whopping $16 and something cents. So I decided to splurge and build a space where I can make these videos in peace and quiet and have a little bit of room. If you've seen my previous videos, you've noticed that they were often shot either sitting at my desk or up against the back wall. There's a picture that kind of is reflective, the door gets in the way, it's not really an ideal spot. So what I've gone and done is taken a corner of my garage, painted the wall in the background gray so it's not reflective, and then built this bar height table here. Eventually the legs will be painted black and the top will be stained, but then you can see me standing here. This table was built out of basically 3 2x4s, and so the top is a piece of oriented strand board that I had on hand. The paint for the wall was left over from a job that I did in the house. So I was able to build this space for about $16, and super simple YouTube studio, and I feel better already, and I hope you like the videos that are going to come from this place going forward. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to be notified of future videos. If you like this studio, have questions about how it was done or suggestions for improvement, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.